What would that negotiation process look like, do you think?
So there needs to be a settlement. Keith and I agree on this 100%. And by the way, this case can settle. Every case feels like it cannot be settled, but this one will settle, in my opinion. I mean, there's a 99% chance it settles before it goes to.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the latest developments in the high-stakes legal drama between Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni. Rumors are swirling that they might finally be settling their court case, and there's plenty to unpack. Let's get into it. Before we talk about the possible settlement, here's a quick rundown. Blake Lively, widely known for her roles in Gossip Girl and big screen hits, has been locked in a legal battle with Justin Baldoni, the actor and producer behind Jane the Virgin and other projects. Lively accused Baldoni of misconduct during the filming of It Ends With Us, which Baldoni strongly denies. Not only that, Baldoni fired back with a counter-lawsuit, claiming Lively used her celebrity status to damage his reputation and business interests. It's been a messy, very public fight, and both sides have poured considerable resources into this showdown. So, what's the buzz about a settlement? Multiple legal analysts and insiders say there's a strong likelihood the dispute will settle before ever making it to trial in March 2026. Even though both parties seem dug in, it appears everyone is feeling the heat. According to sources like the Daily Mail, Blake Lively and Ryan Reynolds, who's also tied into this legal saga, are exhausted. Legal fees and the relentless media scrutiny aren't easy on anyone, let alone Hollywood's favorite power couple. Lively and Reynolds have a carefully curated public image. A long, drawn-out court case could tarnish their brand. Meanwhile, Baldoni might also prefer to avoid the constant negative headlines, although his billionaire backer Steve Sarowitz suggests otherwise. One big topic is the fight over what evidence can be released publicly. Lively's team wants strict protective orders to keep private details under wraps. The court also warned both sides to stop making too many public statements, hinting that pre-trial publicity could taint a jury pool, if this goes to trial at all. Hollywood drama is juicy for us, but it's definitely not ideal for the parties involved. No one wants an even bigger media circus on their hands. One of the wildest details, Justin Baldoni's production partner, billionaire Steve Sarowitz, is footing Baldoni's legal bills. His message to Baldoni's legal team is basically, spare no expense, and this has huge implications. While Lively and Reynolds have an impressive net worth, Sarowitz's financial resources are on another level. If he's not willing to settle, this could drag on. Some observers wonder if Sarowitz's refusal to settle is a way to force Lively and Reynolds into a corner, hoping they'll drop the case because of mounting stress and legal fees. Lively's legal team issued sweeping subpoenas for Baldoni's phone, internet, and even browser history from the past 2.5 years. They believe these records will prove a so-called smear campaign orchestrated against Lively. Baldoni's camp calls this a massive fishing expedition, claiming it's an invasion of privacy, not just for Justin, but for everyone he's communicated with. They're prepared to fight these subpoenas and have labeled them overly broad and unnecessary. Meanwhile, Baldoni has filed his own claim against Lively for a whopping $400 million, alleging she defamed him and leveraged her celebrity status to coerce him. It's a jaw-dropping amount that raises the stakes even higher. Critics say it's an intimidation tactic. Baldoni's team insists they have copious amounts of evidence proving Lively tried to harm him. This case is dragging in other big names. Rumors suggest Taylor Swift, a friend of Blake Lively's, is trying to avoid being pulled into the controversy, while actress Kate Beckinsale has publicly sided with Lively, drawing on her own experiences of alleged mistreatment in Hollywood. It's not every day you see multiple A-listers tangentially involved in a single dispute. The question is, will public sympathy lean more toward Lively or Baldoni? Right now, it's anyone's guess. So, where do things stand? Insiders say a settlement could be on the horizon, but with Sarowitz's deep pockets fueling Baldoni's defense, it's not guaranteed, and a looming March 2026 trial date means both sides risk years of damaging headlines if they don't settle. It all comes down to whether Blake Lively, Ryan Reynolds, and Justin Baldoni, and their teams, decide enough is enough. If they can't hash things out privately, expect more subpoenas, more PR battles, and more shocking revelations. And that's the latest on Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni's tumultuous court case. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you believe they'll settle soon, or is this going all the way to trial? If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.